EAS has issued an emergency action notification. Please wait for further instructions. Primary Entry Point System has issued a nuclear attack for the following states in the United States: Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Washington, D.C., and Delaware. If you are near 100 miles from these locations, you may be exposed to nuclear radiation. It is estimated that the 5 nuclear bombs will hit in exactly 3 hours. Information about protecting loved ones and yourself would come up now. To protect yourself and loved ones, grab food and water that can last up to 14 days. Go to a shelter. If you don't have a shelter, military will take you to public shelters. If it is too dangerous to go outside or no military will take you, or that shelter is full, it is required to make your own fallout shelter. Step 1. Find a solid table, desk or workbench that is tall enough to fit survivors and supplies. Step 2. Surround it with shielding, such as books, mattresses, or furniture. Several inches of protection is enough to block radiation. Step 3. Gather your supplies in the shelter. Don't go overboard, you may only need 12 hours worth. Step 4. Block the entrance, but include 2 small vents for air. Take the following items in the shelter: hand-cranked radio, listen for updates on fire and radiation risks. Bucket, used for personal sanitation. Medicine, fill prescriptions so that you always have a few days worth. Food, opt for snacks and bottled water. Have a supply that can last for up to 14 days. Dosimeter, emerge when the pen-sized device detects low ionizing radiation. A safe level depends on how long it will take to find new shelter. More information about this alert coming soon. We will now continue to regular programming.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape. It's triple thick adhesive.
Warning, warning. This is not a drill. The 5 bombs are now here. Get shelter. You have 60 seconds. Warning, warning. This is not a drill. The 5 bombs are now here. Get shelter. You have 60 seconds.